Bilu ya mina ikarela ku xavelela. Hello Mashaka, it looks like I'm entangled. Being entangled these days is a term that is being used out there. Ni Tsonga na nile. I'm sharing when I'm corner. I don't talk about number like Geremina. I can start circling yora. I'm thirsty. Ni totora. Tungaru kuna te artist totalango tenga kusheken ka Dunisani mattress le abona voice. Leso shinla kuni ninja video le kun tungari the artists like Tsonga, they are the last people kuhleka Dunisani because lokunangta Dunisani wona most of Tsonga artists Dunisani mattress voice abona original, which is different. While as the artist like Tsonga le tongwana ati the voice that original. Most Tsonga artists are using auto-tune, face vibrator or vocoder. Yeah. Most Tsonga artists are using auto-tunes, vocoder, face vibrator, and all those other equipment or other softwares that are there for them to fix their voices. While as Dunisani doesn't use all of those things. So who is original compared to Dunisani and the other Tsonga artists there? Because Tsonga artists cannot laugh at Dunisani at all. They can't. They are the last people. It's not fair for them because Tsonga artists, I can name all of them, most of them. Actually, all of them use auto-tune. I can name Joe Shirimani, Mafamba, Mr. Post, Magis Chauke, Prince Rangani, all those people, they use auto-tune. You can name all of them. All Shigaza Dance, Vasa Shasha, Russian Army, all those guys, they are using auto-tune or face. Even Matra Bemuda used to use a face vibrator to record his voice, to fix his voice during a doing. Tsonga artists va doa votala, I put Dunisani never doa. So it is unfair for Tsonga artists to laugh at Dunisani. It's very, very unfair. So Numakam uses all those things, auto-tune, facer, all those things. The best thing people can do is to help Dunisani to say, instead of singing with your natural voice, because your voice this is what you can do instead of laughing. Some people are laughing out there, they're making Dunisani as if it's not fair, it's not right actually. Because you know, Tsonga artists, you are using auto-tune, you are using facer and vocoder to record your voices, to fix your voices, all of you. There's no one. Actually, let me say, who's witnessing Tilemi? Shindendefu also uses auto-tune, all those things. Most Tsonga artists are using all those things. So DJ Nature, all those people. So mulafteres angastereseku are one right now. Ibo Dunisani. Ibo Dunisani. So those two people are not using those things. So we should actually appreciate those guys who are actually using their own original voices. So they're not entangled like me in this, web of softwares, web of equipment to fix voices. Me, I appreciate Dunisani because it's original. His songwriting is, it's out of this world. He's a great songwriter. He's also a great songwriter. Mulo angasterisi swati auto-tune kale, kumbe swati vocoder nati facer. Akuri kokwan badman. Lava kamalamlela. Exxon Malulek. Nabona abanga sterisi lesha. Mara maskula masiva sterisa. Silisha swati equipment litia. Those other softwares let what tetrasa kulungisa voice lo kuidoa. Now kunyakshota stiri yibwe yina auto-tune. So there's only one song about Dunisani leri vanga teresa auto-tune amasunguleni. Lera ku Bilu ya mina ikarela ku xavelela. Mbilu ya mina yi karhele ku xavelela.
Mbilu ya mina, mbilu ya mina yi karhele ku xavelela. Mbilu ya mina yi karhele ku xavelela. Rhandzu ra wena leswo tshamela swo xavelela. Rhandzu ra wena leswo tshamela swo xavelela. Mbilu ya mina, mbilu ya mina, masiku hinkwawo leswo tshamela swo xavelela. Masiku hinkwawo leswo tshamela swo xavelela.
You know, amasungula simlerani kuna autotune. Mara ka leta tonga ta khondo. Ni vula vavasati lavo tsu. Khondo. Hi vona vavasati lava. Va tikheme to saseka. La ku hava autotune va ka hina. Va tikheme to saseka. Khondo. Hi vula vavasati lavo tsuka. You know, there's no auto-tune there. So Tsonga people, let's not laugh at both Dunisani. Actually, especially tinkambi ta Xitsonga ti nga hleki both Dunisani. Swa ni vava. We're all entangled in this web of auto-tune, in this web of face, in this web of face vibrator and vocoder. All of these softwares that we're using to fix our voices. And both Dunisani is not doing that. He's original. So, ingahlekani bakayi. And what else to refer? So, to are email both Dunisani. No, the artists are stronger. They are the last people to laugh at both Dunisani because they are using equipment to fix their voices. Legere mina, ekestors, malatitimel. Salute. Yo, I'm entangled in the web of softwares trying to fix my voice. Salute.